Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room recap for Monday, February the 5th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of the trading room. And any questions for me, you can use this email address. And this is the link to get into the trading room. Room is open between 9 a.m. and 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. It should be standard time, of course, most days. That's Monday to Thursday. Usually Friday, I knock it off at about 3. I share my screen and get live on the mic all day long. Now, I've been off for 3 weeks. One of the weeks we had our AGM in San Diego, so I took advantage of going down there for a week. And then, kind of the last week and a half was our test drive, very successful test drive. We had over 1,100 people in our test drive, and typically I don't do the videos then. I stay in the room all day long. Anyway, here I am back. So, well, let's first of all take a look at the SPY. Take a look at the daily chart. If it's going to be interesting to see how, depending how much more pain there is in the SPY, how people react to this. Or a lot of people haven't seen moves like this for a while. Okay, they think that the market just does this. Now, this is obviously a pretty important area. This is where it ended at the end of the year, and then at the beginning of the year had just a tremendous rise. So we're getting some weakness, but let's see if this holds. Okay, this is, I guess, a daily chart. So consequently, obviously, long plays very suspect. Excuse me, bounce plays. Plays in which the stock may have you're looking for a bounce off a bottom, a little suspect. If it's always nice to have the SPY on your side or the market on your side when you are playing those. So anyway, this is what the SPY is doing right now. So let's see what I was able to do today. I had a couple of early trades that a couple of manageable little losses. Holly actually had a pretty nice one as the market. I'm going to show you what the market was doing. Holly got into this one at 15.98 right here and got as high a little over $1 on this one at the high before pulling back with the rest of the market. I think you'll see that the SPY sort of did the same thing. There's the SPY action. Remember the MANH did that. But once the market started to capitulate again, that's when MANH and several of the other Holly alerts did the same thing. And they were all from basically the same strategy, the bullish trend change. So it worked as the SPY was moving up, but the minute the SPY started moving down, this is what happened. So I'll show you the one trade that actually worked out for me. It was very exciting. Got into this one. Excuse me. If you look at the daily chart, it has a little bit of room up to the maybe the 350 level, then here and then here. So when this broke over, it looked like it was trying to curl back over 3. I got alerted to this one. I think I had either a price alert or it might have been my volume alert. Let's take a look at it on the 15. Yeah, you can see right there. You see the volume came in, so I probably got alerted right there. Decided to take the trade. Now it took a while. I got into this trade at 319. Right here, okay? I think on this pullback, and then right here took a little bit of pullback, and then all of a sudden I think I said literally, well, we're at the moment of truth to see if it can get through 325. And look what it did. I mean, this popped so quickly up to 384. I would love to say that I was able to get out some up here or even down there. I got rid of most of mine right at 343. What is it, 343 right here as it was coming down. And then the balance just a little bit over where 8 cents over where I bought it. But that basically made my day. But that was exciting because I literally had said, well, the moment of truth, see if we can get through 325, which was the high of that candle right there. And then I don't know why it happened. It does have earnings after hours today, so that might have something to do with it. But anyway, that was my trade for the day. And really not that interested in doing too much more, unless I'm going to find something that is really going to short. Data was one that I was in just before I decided to do this video, and yeah, you can see that it is all over the place. The market is still drifting down. This is what I was looking at here. I saw that little pull up. I thought, okay, The market is starting to move down again. Got below that whole number. I think I took the short right around 80, 81, 83 or something like that, and tried. But all this was happening, and yet the SPY was moving down and down and down, and that got me very nervous. Like, why isn't this moving down? Especially after this little pull up. A lot of times you see this little pull up, and the buyers think they're in control, and then the sellers take over again, and the resumption down. But anyway, bottom line is I took I think a 12-cent loss or something on this one. But so interesting times right now. We've not seen the SPY do something like this for quite a while. So I have to see what happens tomorrow. Okay, well, again, not too exciting first day back doing these videos, but again, I'll be doing them now every day until well, the next time I take a break, which is probably several months from now. So, just do want to say one thing, is that we are having a price increase on February the 15th. If you are a current subscriber to Trade Ideas, you don't have to worry, or if you subscribe between now and then, say the 14th, you don't have to worry. And when I say you don't have to worry, you will not have a price increase. As long as you maintain your subscription, you'll be grandfathered in at the price that you sign up. After that, the prices are going up approximately 20 to 22% depending on the subscription. It's either that's either on a monthly or annual or standard or premium. So between 20 and 22%. So again, if you're sitting on the fence about taking out a subscription to Trade Ideas, now is the time to act. Otherwise, it'll be 22% more, approximately 22% more on February the 15th. All right, well, that's about a wrap for my first one back. Let me bring back my capture program. Again, any questions for me, you can use this email address. This is a link for the trading room itself, free trading room. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas to come in. Here's a subscription link. There's a 15% discount with that link. And I'll open the room tomorrow at around 9 a.m. Eastern Time. I'll start to share my screen then and get live on the mic at about 9:05. So thanks for listening, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.